Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Nextcloud data directory for VPS recovery, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Nextcloud data directory, connect to your VPS via SSH. Use a terminal and run the SSH command with your VPS credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Nextcloud data directory. Typically, this is found at /var/www/nextcloud/data. But it may vary based on your installation. You can confirm the path by checking your Nextcloud configuration file. Open the configuration file located in /var/www/nextcloud/config/config.php. Look for the line that specifies data directory. Once confirmed, it's time to prepare for the backup. Create a new backup directory to store your data. Use the command mdirp/nextcloud_backup. Now, initiate the backup process using the rsinc command. This command allows for efficient file transfer. Type rsinc of /var/www/nextcloud/data/nextcloud_backup/ to begin the process. This command preserves file permissions and timestamps while copying the data. Depending on the amount of data, this might take some time. Once the backup is complete, confirm that all files have been copied. You can check the sizes of the original and backup directories using do/var/www/nextcloud/data and do. If everything appears correct, it's essential to secure your backup. Compress the backup directory to save space using the command tar/czvf nextcloud_backup.tar.gz/nextcloud_. This will create a compressed file named nextcloud_backup.tar.gz. For additional safety, consider transferring this backup to another location. You can use SCP to securely copy it to your local machine or another server. Execute scp/nextcloud_backup.tar.gz user at remote_server/path/to/destination. Replace user, remote_server, and /path/to/destination with your details. Finally, ensure that you remove the backup directory from your VPS to free up space. Run rmrf/nextcloud_backup to delete it safely. Your Nextcloud data directory backup is now complete and securely stored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.